Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 Pro for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone 15 Pro is now here at Metro. You guys have 4 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of storage. 4 color options as well. You guys will have white titanium, black titanium, natural titanium, or blue titanium color options there. So yeah, there is the front and back of the iPhone 15 Pro. You guys have your cutout there for your dynamic island, power button on the right side of the phone, the volume key is on the left side of the phone, along with your action button, triple camera system down the back, camera flash, Apple logo. Back of the phone, like I just said, triple camera system, camera flash, Apple logo, power button on the right side of the phone, along with your antenna. Plus a look at the cameras now, triple camera system, like I just said, camera flash and whatnot. And there is the front of the phone there, so very nice. So the looks like it's out of stock here, so but they're probably all out of stock anyway, probably. So anyways, the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro is $899.99 with a new number with Metro. So if you guys get a brand new number with Metro, y'all guys can get the 128GB iPhone 15 Pro for $899.99. So you're saving $100 with that. For retail price $999.99. However, if you bring your number over to Metro, you can get the iPhone 15 Pro $200 off. So that is pretty cool. The 256GB version is not in stock. They're all probably out of stock. The 256GB iPhone 15 Pro is $999.99 with the brand new number with Metro, $1099.99 for retail price. Put your number with the Metro and you get it off, and you get it $200 off. So that's pretty cool. And then the 512GB version, if it clicks on it, that is also out of stock as well. The 512GB iPhone 15 Pro is $1199.99 if you guys get a brand new number of Metro. Full retail price $1299.99. So you're saving $100 with that. If you put your number over the Metro, it is $999.99 for the 512GB iPhone 15 Pro. And then you guys have the 1 terabyte storage option. If I can click on it, there we go. That is also out of stock as well. Like I said, all of them are out of stock. So the 1 terabyte iPhone 15 Pro is $1399.99 with a brand new number with Metro. Full retail price $1499.99 for the 1 terabyte iPhone 15 Pro. Put your number of the Metro and you get it $200 off. So that's a win. Features: so it has a pro camera system, 48 megapixel main camera, ultra wide camera, and the telephoto camera lens on the back, 12 megapixel ultra wide front facing camera, 23 hours of talk time, 6.1 inch OLED display, 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution. Other features include, like I just mentioned, a 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. What ProMotion technology is, basically y'all guys can have your iPhone 15 Pro at 120Hz refresh rate, which is very cool. Forged in titanium, game-changing A17 Pro chip, customizable action button, action mode for smooth, steady handheld video, USB-C connectivity. That is needed to the iPhone 15 line, emergency SOS via satellite and roadside assistance, crash detection, designed to make a difference, iOS 17 of course, splash, water and dust resistance, Apple Care warranty, 3 times optical zoom in. iPhone 15 Pro, forged in titanium and featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chip, a customizable action button, and a more versatile pro camera system. Quick facts about the iPhone 15 Pro: When will the iPhone 15 Pro be released? September 22nd, 2023. What colors are available for the iPhone 15 Pro? The iPhone 15 Pro is available in 4 colors: black titanium, white titanium, natural titanium, and blue titanium color options. What are the storage options for the iPhone 15 Pro? The iPhone 15 Pro has 4 memory storage sizes: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, or 1 terabyte of storage. Specs: the iPhone 15 Pro has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, Type-C charging, of course. That's new for the iPhone 15 line this year. Connectivity options: Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11ax, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC with reader mode, voice over LTE, A17 per chip, iOS 17, of course. There is no external storage because this is iOS. It has 4G, 4G LTE, 5G, of course, supported email platforms, hearing aid compatibilities, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, of course, frequencies there. The iPhone 15 Pro weighs 6.6 ounces. Dimensions on the iPhone 15 Pro: 5.77 inches height, 2.78 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. What comes with the iPhone 15 Pro is, of course, your iPhone 15 Pro, your USB-C charging cable, and your documentation, so you send it stuff in the box there. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick, so keep that in mind. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the iPhone 15 Pro. It's now here at Metro by T-Mobile. It is currently out of stock on all storage options, so that sucks. So as I'm recording this video here, the iPhone 15 Pro is not in stock at all at Metro, so hopefully when I upload this video to YouTube, it will be in stock and be available to purchase. So yeah, the iPhone 15 Pro looks very nice. If you guys are looking to get like a compact iPhone per se, and you guys want that 120Hz refresh rate, the iPhone 15 Pro is the iPhone for you. It has great features, great specs. It has Type-C charging, of course. It has the dynamic island feature. It has titanium, which is new for the Pro line this year for the iPhones, which is very nice. Yeah, it looks very nice, and yeah, worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.